This is the power of technical analysis. Hopefully you are in a good profit right now if you have watched my previous videos. Anyways, welcome to my channel my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you are new to trading and if you want to learn trading, then I have uploaded 32 videos in my YouTube channel. You'll find in the Forex and stock learning course for beginners. Though there are a series of videos, but I have uploaded them in the form of a course. I have arranged it beautifully so that you do not find it very hard. Okay, if you are a beginner, you do not have any idea about the functioning of the market, then I have uploaded regarding the chart patterns, okay, how the market works. You'll get a brief and basic idea about the functioning of the market. Okay, so if you are a complete beginner, then hopefully this course will be very useful to you. And if you're interested in learning from me personal classes, one-on-one classes, then you can go to my website avilashajarika.com/workshop. You'll find a link in the description. Okay, anyways, let's get back to the chart. So this is the chart of GBP USD, and as I've already mentioned in my previous videos that yes, right now market has got resistance at this level, and we can easily see that 50 moving average is acting as a support to the market. Okay, so if you just look at the chart, okay, just look at the chart, then there is no denial that market is in uptrend. Market is in uptrend, and we can see that market is making higher highs. But if we zoom out the chart, okay, if we zoom out the chart, we can see that market has got a resistance. Okay, and that resistance is kind of problematic to us. Okay, otherwise chart was very clean. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? Okay, before jumping to the strategy, let's look at the weekly time frame once. Okay, the weekly time frame is also very much bullish. Okay, I have already discussed in my previous videos that this level, okay, this level is very crucial for the market. Okay, this level, because in the weekly chart you can see that market has taken support at this pivot line, okay, for a couple of weeks. So this level is the extreme support for the market, but right now market is quite far away. Okay, so we'll come to that level later. Okay, as of now we can just see that market is bullish, but this week market for face price rejection from above. Okay, that is the only thing. Otherwise market has got resistance at this level, but that level is quite far away right now. Okay, so let's jump to the 4 hours time frame, our beloved 4 hours time frame, and see. So this is the 4 hours time frame, and as I've already mentioned, this is the best level. Okay, though this level is quite far away from the current market price, but if you get GBP USD at this price level in the coming week or any week, okay, just consider this level as the best buying option. Okay, best buying option, 1.3774, but this level is quite far away. So let's see what should be a strategy for the Monday. Okay, as I've already mentioned, market has got a resistance at this level. Okay, so that's why we need to be very careful, and this time resistance is a kind of a zone here. Okay, let me draw the resistance zone here, then I'll be telling you what we should do on Monday. This is the high, yeah. So one thing is clear to us, that market has got resistance. As a result, market, whenever market is going up, it is failing to cross the resistance and it is coming down. Okay, and on the downside we can see that market is taking support from the 50 moving average, and 50 moving average is providing the support to the market. And on on Friday we can see that market formed after reaching the resistance zone, market came down with huge amount of volume. Okay, market formed a huge red candle, and I told you to short the market if you see good price rejection from above. Okay, but right now, okay, and right now we can see the market is almost standing at the support level. So we need to wait for the market opening and just observe the price. Okay, once the market opens, just see how the price is doing. Okay, because see, apart from this particular moving average, 50 moving average, market is also kind of following a trend line here. Okay, market is kind of following a trend line here. So there is a possibility that whenever market will be coming down to this particular trend line, there is a good amount of possibility the market will bounce. Okay, when market will be bouncing back from this trend line, okay, look for the confirmation. Okay, confirmation can be in the form of a hammer, price rejection from below, or a green candle like this. Once you get a confirmation that yes, market is still respecting this particular level, this level can be 50 MA or this trend line. Okay, because just like Euro USD, market has got twin support here, twin support. Okay, this is a 2, sorry for the bad ugly 2. Okay, market has got twin support here, so there is a good possibility that market will be bouncing back from this level. But do remember, confirmation is always important. So once you get the confirmation that yes, it is a still valid support, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, but do remember, if you're buying at this level, you need to be very careful. Though market is an uptrend, but there is a resistance level also. So when market will be going up after 20, 30 pips, 40 pips, okay, if you see that price is struggling, price is facing price rejection from above, you can easily come out, because this level is your take profit level. Okay, this level is your take profit level. Once you are in profit, okay, then well and good. Once you get a confirmation that yes, price has entered the resistance zone, okay, once price enters the resistance zone, you can come out. Okay, and you'll have to wait for the market to cross this particular level, at least 1.4250. Okay, we'll have to wait for the market to cross this level. This is our ultimate target, because market has got resistance, and market is trying to cross this resistance from long period of time, and market is failing to do so. So whenever market will be crossing this level, this particular level, okay, then only we'll plan to go long. Okay, go long. Otherwise, as of now, we do not have any good opportunity to take trades for a couple of days. Okay, so we need to scalp, or we need to go for short trading only if you're interested in GBP USD. Okay, and if you want to go for a long trade, then you'll have to wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, so these are the trading possibilities in GBP USD. Hopefully you have understood. Okay, though this level is quite far away from the market, this is the best level, 1.3774. Okay, this level. Okay, otherwise wait for the market to open on Monday and just see how the price is doing. If you see that, okay, if you see the price is reversing from this level, from this support level, whether it is 50 MA or the trend line, you can go for a buy order. But do remember, you need to come out or exit once market reaches this resistance zone. Okay, and you'll get the best trading opportunity after market successfully breaches this level, 1.4250 level. This is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.